busy sightseeing days, late night drinking fuel, or a just because snack are all good enough reasons to grab a Danish-style hot dog. And the nearly foot-long hot dogs, called red polsers, are a national staple, like herring and smorrebrod. But unlike the American counterpart, the Danish hot dog is always 100% pork, loaded with gourmet toppings, and served on a homemade bun. Catch a rolling hot dog stand, called a polsevogn, by chance or order from two of the best in town. Dop by the round tower on Kobmagergade. Pedestrian street specializes in organic hot dogs, and they make the best veggie dog in the city. Or head to the meatpacking district where Johns Hotdog Deli works with a local producer to ensure the best pork is used. Their DIY topping cart is filled with fried Jerusalem artichokes, shaved foie gras, black truffles, homemade mustard, onions, and rhubarb.